Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader today. So today in this video I will tell you how the price of crude has moved so far as well as how the price of crude can go in the next week. See, I'm showing you a chart where we can see a change in the price of crude. See, as we know, the price on 16th April has moved to negative also. Sharp rise in the price of crude. Price of crude is moving from 4th Jan to around November in the particular range. After breaking the range, it is in this particular trend. See, what I'm suggesting you as of now, see, after breaking the trend, it is in this particular range and it is upside movement. Okay, so now see, a level is tested. This is a resistance and a resistance. Once this resistance is break, then we can expect it can touch a new level. See, once resistance tested, twice is tested, thrice it will go high, and there is high probability it can touch a level of 69 also. I will tell you a proper a shorter views as well, but as I can see a longer view that it can touch a level 69 also, then 70 also. Okay, as I can't see normal because the price of crude is continuously moving up. Okay, then I'm looking at a sharp rise in the price of crude. Okay, so now see, look at the chart. The price is continuously in upside. If we look at the chart for a month, the price was in this particular range, and from there it is in. Now from after breaking a particular range, it is moving upside. So now look at the 1 day chart. Look at 1 day chart. Okay, so the price of crude is continuously moving in this particular range. Okay, once this range again, see, after moving up in this particular range, once this range is broken, then we can see an upside movement in crude oil chart, and then you will decide how the price of crude is moving up. See now for the next week, what we can expect in the next week. If the price of crude cross a level of 65.29, then we can expect it can touch a level of 66.32. The next level we can see is 66.32, and then from there it can 66.75. okay, once 66.75 is touched, then we can expect 67.8, and from there it can touch a next level is 68.5, and from there it can touch a level 69.8, and after crossing 70, and if stays above this level, then we can expect a good level at 70.8. see, this is a longer view. If I have to tell you, see, the price is continuously in upside. You can see it has crossed one support. Okay, it has tested twice, and now the next level we can see is 72. but 72 will not come directly this way. Okay, and I've already told you that it will halt for some time, and then if it move up, it will halt for some time, and then it will move up. So now what we have to understand is that the price of crude is moving up. If you want to buy, then I would suggest there is a buy position you can create, but with proper stop loss. But that will be my personal view. You should always consult your financial advisor before investing. See, this is tested once and twice. If it cross this level also, then we can expect it can touch a next high. Okay, and then we can see, because the price because one after crossing this level high 66.6, the next target I can see is 75 and then 76. But before that we can see 67 also, and then 167 is crossed, then we can see 70 also, and then we can see 72 and then 74. So what you have to understand, you have to do it with proper stop loss. Okay, suppose you are in a profit of $100. If it comes down to 20, 80, then you should exit the trade. Okay, this is what you have to do in this. See, now if you look at the longer view, the trend is upside, and I would suggest if you want to buy, then you can buy for a longer position. Okay, if you are trade for short also, but with a proper stop loss. Okay, but that is my personal view. Okay, so now hope you like the video. If you like the video, please give a thumbs up if you are new to my channel.